Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So this is again part of 30-day challenge, and like I said, I'm going to include some line and wash. I've already done one. This is the second one. I'm going to include some more because one of the things that I'm trying to achieve from this is to encourage people who actually concentrate on too much of detail, so it doesn't have to be all the time. This particular style can be used for urban sketching, coloring, um, journaling. You can actually draw it in your journal, so many applications are there. So very easy, but the things that you need to remember here is perspective, the drawing, color, highlights and shadows. So those are the main things. But before I explain anything further, if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing, and if you are a returning viewer, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. So, and don't forget to like and share with your friends and family, so that actually helps YouTube algorithm to reach more and more people. Having said that, let's get back to this painting. Concentrate on this one is a simple one. I'm going to do more and more of little bit of perspective, 1 point or 2 point perspective. So I also have a perspective course. You can actually check the description. I have given the link. So concentrate on that. Very simple coloring. When pen and wash comes into picture, it's most of the time it's watercolor used. Sometimes you can actually use ink, and that way it's very easy to paint. And main thing is you complete most of the things in short duration. So that's the main thing. Concentrate on these four things, and then whatever reference you have. But another part above all, another thing is how to simplify your reference photos. So simplify your reference photos, colors, match them, and then just paint them. So try this out. If you have your own reference photo, try that out as well, and then let me know how it turns out. I'll be posting similar ones, but little bit maybe more of perspective, more little bit more difficult, or maybe the different type for a certain object, maybe a tree or something like that. Based on that, we'll see how it goes, and then I'll post it. If you have any other request, just let me know. I will try my best to paint those ones. Then have a nice time, and I'll see you in my next video.